Okay, so if you, my little friends, are being anything like my kiddos that are home with me all day, you guys might be having a problem with creating messes and cleaning them up, right? It's so much fun to play, but man, when you gotta go put away your toys, that's a really hard job to do, right? So I am bringing out our llama friend again, and we're gonna read a book about Llama Llama and all of his messes and what he does about it. So what do you think? Ready for a Llama Llama book about cleaning up messes? This one is titled Llama Llama Mess, Mess, Mess. So that's the name of our story, and our story is about Llama Llama, right? And it was written by Anne Dooney. Alright, so let's check this out. See what happens with Llama Llama and his mess. Maybe it's something like your mess at home. Or the mess in my house. It's entirely possible. Llama Llama in his room, cars and trucks go honk and zoom, racing under sheets and chairs. Mama Llama calls upstairs. Oh, it looks like he's having so much fun with his toys. Time to pick up your toys. Why is Mama making noise? Mama says it's cleaning day, but Llama only wants to play. Mama says to make the bed. Llama Llama shakes his head. We all have a job to do, even little llamas too. What if Mama never cleaned? Imagine that. What would that mean? If Mama didn't dust or mop, she'd toss the rags and off she'd hop. She'd take the clothes all clean to wear and throw them up into the air. Now Mama's making a mess? No doing laundry anymore. Just drop the towels upon the floor. She'd pull the sheets right off the bed and wear the blankets on her head. She'd leave the pots and pans and plates and dance around on roller skates. Looks like Mama's having a lot of fun, isn't she? Then zoom into the living room to make a fort with mops and brooms. She'd give herself some crunchy snacks and throw the bags behind her back. Crumbs and clothes and peanut shells? What's this a thing? What's this smell? Oh, messy counters, dirty drawers? Ew. Where is Mama? Where's the floor? Everything in disarray. Llama has no place to play. Clutter, chaos, and distress. No more Llama mess. Ugh, there's no room to play anymore. What's a llama to do? Grown-up llamas clean, that's true. But little ones can pick up too. Llama Llama nods his head. Maybe we should clean instead. Llama Llama picks up blocks, puts them all into his box. Books go back up on the shelf. Llama puts them there himself. Look, he's doing his chores. Good job, Llama. Are there things beneath the bed? Check and see. Lift up the spread. Look under the bed. Look, does he have toys under there? Look what Llama Llama's got. Each thing has its special spot. So every toy has a place it needs to go, right? Just can't throw them everywhere. You'll never find them again. Llama pulls the sheets up tight. Mama tucks the quilt just right. Lots of space to play with Mama. Look, you have room to play when you put away your mess, don't you? Mm-hmm. Guess who's proud of Llama Llama? Look, Llama Llama did a great job, right? And his mommy was so happy with him. So do you remember how in our classroom every day after we were done playing with toys, we would have to sing the cleanup song and put them all away? And they all had their special drawers to go in. Remember we had those pictures on them? So that way we could put them away in the right spot. Well, I'm sure your toys at home have spots that they need to go in too, right? And we want to make sure we're helping our mommies and daddies keep the mess clean so we have room to play too. Because if the mess isn't picked up, then there's no room to play with all of our other stuff. All right, so do you guys remember our cleanup song? Okay, so let's sing it again really quick. So that way, as you guys clean up at home, you can sing our cleanup song just like we would do it in the classroom, okay? Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share. So as you clean up and put away your toys, why don't you guys sing our cleanup song? It'll help you guys remember how to do it like you just did in our classroom, okay? Let's make sure we clean up our messes so that way we have room to play and our mamas and daddies can be so proud of us for doing the right thing. Okay, my loves? All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.